The age old, the age old, the Sony Xperia foldable phone. Are we going to get it? Well, now the speculation is up, rumors are up, and listen, again, like I said before, chances are we might not get it. Chances are we might get it. But because of all the rumors and speculation, I want to go ahead and talk about it today because we do have the Sony MWC 2024 in 29 days. February 26th, Sony is unveiling their event. And at their event, they do have a lot of headsets that are going to be coming out and showing off. So now, because of that, everyone is expecting, whoop, is this the time for Sony to go ahead and drop their first foldable, potentially also flippable cell phone? Or are they still gonna not do this? Now, keep in mind, this is almost to a point like it is like the Pixel Fold for the longest time, where it was like rumored. They said it was gonna come out, not Sony, but a lot of different speculation said it was gonna come out for a little bit of time. Never did. Kept rumoring it, kept speculating about it, and eventually the thing did come out. But with this, we don't know if this is actually going to come out eventually. I mean, it's really up to anyone's choice / idea at this point if we're ever going to receive this device, and hopefully we do. I really do hope we do, but I would not keep my hopes up at the same time because there isn't much information about it. And usually when a device is going to be coming out, or we know a device is coming out, we kind of get a good general gist of like what we can expect from it. But at this moment in time, there really isn't much information at all. Now, what we do know about this is it would be a 7-inch inside display, 4K resolution with a 29:9 ratio. It would be a little bit different than normal foldable phones we have right now at the moment in time. So, for example, this is some renders that people have posted about it. And again, look at the timeline. May 22nd, 2023. That's how long this phone has been talked about, rumored about, everything about. This has been, out there in every way possible. Now, most likely if this does come out, it will come out with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It would also come out by 120 hertz across the board. This is the dual cameras on the outside. You have a very weird hinge. Like, again, this is another problem. It's like, it's such a weird concept, weird design. I don't know how well it would do if it did come out. And, it wouldn't surprise me if Sony just kind of dropped it and said, hey, whatever, we're just going to drop it, see how it does, and kind of figure that out. But it's such a weird concept in design, and if they do drop it, I'll be excited just to pick it up and see how it is, see if I like it or not, as I always do with all foldable phones that get released. Other than the only phone I haven't picked up yet is the OnePlus Open, which, I don't know, I'm still kind of on the fence about that phone. But when it comes to this phone, I probably will pick it up because it kind of does look kind of interesting. It looks like a flippable phone, but it's more of a foldable design. So it's like, get you the best of both worlds, as I would say. It's such a weird concept. But a weird concept doesn't really mean anything bad. I mean, weird concepts happen all the time in the foldable phone industry. We have seen millions of different phones come out that some of them are the weirdest concepts and are not successful, and some of them are successful in weird concepts. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see what ends up happening, but I just want to give you guys a little update here that we might be seeing a foldable phone in the near future. Potentially, depending on how Sony goes about this whole endeavor. But at this moment in time, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.